We want to solve this equation, x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. So if we use that idea that if this is a factor and this is the factor and the product is 0, then either a equals 0 or b equals 0 are solutions to this equation. So we end up with these linear equations. If we just opposite the number term, we will find a solution for each of these. So we have x equals 4 and x equals negative 2 for solutions to this equation. So in general, if we want to solve quadratic equations by the factoring method, we first need to write the equation in standard form. And what that means is that you get 0 on one side. Then you want to completely factor the other side, the quadratic expression part. And then you can set each of those factors equal to 0 by the zero product property. Solve the resulting equations and then check to make sure that those solutions are true in your original equation. So an example here, we have a quadratic equation. It's degree 2, right? So the first thing we need to do is get 0 on one side. So I'm going to opposite this 24 from both sides of the equal sign. So on the left side, x squared minus 5x minus 24. And on the right side, that's going to add to 0. Then we want to completely factor the other side. So let's see what we're working with. Is there a common factor for all of the terms? No. It's a trinomial, so we're looking for factors of the first term and the last term such that the sum is the middle term. So x squared can only have factors of x times x, but 24 could be 24 times 1, 6 times 4, 8 times 3, maybe 8 times 3. Let's see. This sign says we have different signs and the bigger number is negative, so if we multiply across, the bigger number is 8, and that adds up. So we have an x plus 3 factor and an x minus 8 factor. Now we set each of those factors equal to 0 by the zero product property. And we can solve the resulting linear equations. So if we opposite that 3, we get a negative 3. If we opposite that 8, we'll have a positive 8. And these are both solutions to the equation.